Yesterday Karim explored the city. But today is even more exciting. Today Karim will visit one of the biggest malls in the world. He wants to buy something, ask for prices, and talk to people. But can he do all that in English? Today you will learn real English sentences used while shopping in Dubai. This is Karim again. Today is his third day in Dubai. After breakfast, Karim decides to visit Dubai Mall. He heard that it is one of the biggest malls in the world. Karim takes the metro and arrives near the mall. When he walks inside, he is amazed. The mall is huge. There are hundreds of shops, restaurants, and people everywhere. Karim says quietly, "This place is incredible." Karim wants to buy a gift for his brother. He walks into a clothing store. A shop assistant greets him. "Hello. Can I help you?" Karim smiles and replies, "Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt." The assistant shows him several options. This one is very popular. Karim looks at the price tag. "How much is it?" The assistant replies, "It's 80 dirhams." Karim thinks for a moment and says, "Do you have it in a different color?" The assistant nods and brings another one. This one comes in blue and black. Karim likes the blue one. "I'll take this one." The assistant smiles. "Great choice." Karim pays for the t-shirt and thanks the assistant. After leaving the store, Karim walks around the mall. He sees a large aquarium and many visitors taking photos. Karim takes a deep breath and smiles. 3 days ago he arrived in a new city. Now he is shopping and talking to people in English. Karim realizes something important. Learning English is opening the world for him. Now let's learn some useful sentences from the story. Can I help you? This is a common sentence used by shop assistants. I'm looking for a t-shirt. You can use this sentence when searching for something in a store. How much is it? This is how you ask about the price. Do you have it in a different color? This sentence helps you ask for more options when shopping. Now repeat after me. Can I help you? I'm looking for a t-shirt. How much is it? Do you have it in a different color? I'll take this one. Remember this. You don't need complicated English. Simple sentences are enough to communicate. Every conversation you have makes you more confident.